starting off the day with a little walk.
Got my flowers.
Vincent's got his flowers. It's a good day. Supposed to get some rain by early afternoon, so I thought we'd take advantage of the sunshine and go for a little walk around the neighborhood. And we ran into some cows.
Oh, this is one.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I never knew you had such an affection for cows.
They have little bells on them.
Okay.
So this is our last full day here in Berchestgaden.
With weather like this, it's so hard to leave.
Yeah, we're going to continue on, I think, westward along the Alps here. We haven't found a place yet for the rest of the week, but we usually find it last minute, and it seems to work out.
We'll find it today sometime.
Yeah. Why is he using? What's he using his tail for?
Because for bugs.
For bugs. That's right.
I like bugs so much. Look, that's a fly. Squeeze that. Woo! Woo!
So we were just walking by this beautiful building back here, and it looked like a hotel. So we're like, oh, we should go in and check, and maybe they have room, maybe we can extend our stay here. Because there was a little playground right in front as well, but it said it was private. So Rick walked in and checked it out, and apparently it's a hospital for young children and teens. And it's beautiful. So yeah, we won't be staying there, but that was so unique to see. I mean, they've got an amazing view here. Finn is off for a nap. I'm just gonna hang out here for a little while until he's done. Winston is watering his flowers. Giving him a little drink. Drink up, little guy. That's a really long stem.
Yeah, it can shake really fast. This flower is. It can go where this flower is really tall. This flower is really tall and drink. See it? It can drink.
Yeah.
Even the drink.
You're taking very good care of that flower. That's good. Alright, Finn woke up from his nap, as he usually does. And now we're kind of hunting for some strudel. Yeah, not much going on today. It's always one of those awkward days when it's our last day in a place, and so our time is spent trying to make the most of our day here and wherever we are, but also trying to find a new place to go. So it's kind of hectic in a way. But yeah, we're taking a break from being online looking for our next place, and we're looking for some strudel.
Listen. What do you got?
I have apple cooking. Apple cooking.
And I got my apple strudel with vanilla sauce.
I have like a finger thing.
Nice. Also, part of what makes this strudel so good is that you have, on one side of the dish, you have a hot vanilla sauce, and on the other side of the dish, you have ice cream. And then in the middle, you have the strudel itself, which is a nice warm temperature. And then, of course, the whipped cream. It is the perfect combo.
Oh my goodness.
You want to show the ice cream?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me about it.
The candy is in there.
The candy's in there?
Candies. The candies in there so much. Candies.
Wow, that's a good description.
I thought this was good, and it's amazing, but that is like next level delicious.
Want some?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
I can't handle it. Finn is absolutely obsessed with stairs. He cannot pass one by without going up or down. It's been really nice just chilling in this really old part of town. This church right in front of me, we just went in. It's from like 1700, I think. This one. Got a fresh coat of paint, I think. And then there's like a little grave or like memorial type thing right here behind me. Dated 1102, so that's super old. It's to your right. Try. Oh! Oh! Okay, maybe just walk with it. You are naughty.
You know you did that.
You know it. Alright, off home for nap number 2 and more Airbnb research.
Chilly in here. It's technically not a 2-bedroom. It's technically a 2-room. 1 bedroom.
Yeah,
You knew that?
1 bedroom and then a sofa bed.
Yeah. Yeah, she's got a room. Yeah, she said she could bring in cots and baby beds or whatever we needed to accommodate.
Alright, we spent how long? A long time.
Yep.
But we think we found something. We hope. Stay tuned. You'll find out. Don't worry.
Your name And Daddy's name is Sid's name.
That's my name? Let's see. Sure enough.
It's everyone's name now, Mommy.
Very good.
Yeah, let's try another one, Mommy.
Hard to leave that view.
We found a place, so we're off. We're off to a new town tomorrow. Heading west.
We are definitely gonna miss this view though. It's gonna be really hard to leave this. We're not getting out of the mountains quite yet.
No, we'll be surrounded by mountains again, so
Yeah.
can't complain about that.
So yeah, not much left to say other than that. But yeah, we're loving this area. This is like the mountain experience that we really wanted, and we're excited to see more. So,
Yeah, tune in for more.
that's right.
Have a good night, or day, or morning, whatever. We're calling it a night.
Yes, we are. Good night.
Good night.
That one go really slow, and that one can go fast. You see? And then